How to hide WhatsApp status. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on account, then click on privacy, and you can see from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, there is the option that says status. Click on it, and here it tells you who can see my status updates, and it's set to my contacts. So what you need to do in order for you to hide your status from everyone is to choose only share with, the last option, and it gives you a list of your contacts that you want to share your status updates with, but you don't have to choose any one of them. You simply, without choosing anyone, just click the save button, and as you can see, it has been saved to only share with and no one. It will be shared with no one because you haven't selected anyone. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide your status on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.